With these hazardous winds today, ski lifts also placed on hold while some resorts closed entirely. Brighton Resort closing multiple lifts due to the high winds. Snowbird Resort also reporting earlier that all lifts were on hold due to the winds, closing the entire resort just after 2:30 this afternoon. Deer Valley struggling with the winds as well, with many skiers discouraged by the weather. At one point during the day, only 7 of 21 total chairlifts were open. So with both Deer Valley and Park City holding all their lifts on hold just before 3 p.m. due to thunder, and Powder Mountain announcing yesterday they were closing for the entire day today, while also shutting down last night's skiing. Now wind gusts they're blowing again up to 70 miles an hour.